Baba Saheb Ambedkar struggled for equality throughout his life. Hence, his birthday is celebrated as Equality Day in India, and the demand to declare this day as International Equality Day goes to the United Nations. Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel HT Subject Knowledge. Today we are going to discuss an important day, or we can say festival of our India. Let's start. Ambedkar Jayanti or Bhim Jayanti is an annual festival observed on 14 April to commemorate the memory of B.R. Ambedkar, Indian polymath, father of the Constitution of India, and civil rights activist. It marks Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar's birthday, who was born on 14 April 1891. Since 2015, it has been observed as an official public holiday throughout India. Ambedkar Jayanti is celebrated not just in India but all around the world. Ambedkar Jayanti processions are carried out by his followers at Chaitya Bhumi in Mumbai and Diksha Bhumi in Nagpur. It is a customary for senior national figures such as the President, Prime Minister, and leaders of major political parties to pay homage at the statue of Ambedkar at the Parliament of India in New Delhi. It is celebrated throughout the world, especially by Dalits, Adivasis, labor workers, women, and also those who embraced Buddhism. After After his example in India, large numbers of people visit local statues commemorating Ambedkar in procession with lot of fanfare. In 2020, the first online Ambedkar Jayanti was celebrated in the world. Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar Jayanti is a public holiday in more than 25 states and union territories of India, including Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Chandigarh, Chhattisgarh, Goa, Gujarat, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Jharkhand, Pondicherry, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, West Bengal, etc. Indian Post issued stamps dedicated to Ambedkar's birthday in 1966, 1973, 1991, 2001, and 2013, and featured him on other stamps in 2009, 2015, 2016, 2017, and 2020. On 14th April 1990, Ambedkar was bestowed with Bharat Ratna Award. The same year, his life-size portrait was also unveiled in the Central Hall of Parliament. The period from 14 April 1990 to 14 April 1991 was observed as Year of Social Justice in the memory of Baba Saheb. Government of India issued 10 rupees and 125 rupees coin in 2015 to mark the 125th birth anniversary in the honor of Ambedkar. On 14th April 2015, a Google Doodle was published for Ambedkar's 124th birthday. The doodle was featured in India, Argentina, Chile, Ireland, Peru, Poland, Sweden, and the United Kingdom. The United Nations celebrated Ambedkar Jayanti in 2016, 2017, and 2018. In 2017, as per Government of Maharashtra, 14 April is observed as Knowledge Day in memory of Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. In 2017, on the occasion of Dr. Ambedkar Jayanti, Twitter launched Dr. Ambedkar emoji as a tribute to the legend. On 6th April 2020 in Canada, it was decided to observe April 14 as Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Day of Equality. The decision was taken by the Council of the City of Burnaby, Canada. Baba Saheb Ambedkar's first birthday was publicly celebrated on 14 April 1928 in Pune by Janardhan Sadashiv Ranpais, who was an Ambedkarite and social activist. He started the tradition of Baba Saheb's birth anniversary or Ambedkar Jayanti. Ambedkar passed his matriculation in 1907. Then he pursued BA honors in economics and political science from Elphinstone College. He enrolled in Columbia University, New York for the Masters of Arts and got his PhD in economics in 1927. In 1916, he took the admissions for the bar course at Grace Inn. Along with this, he also did another doctoral thesis in economics from the London School of Economics. Ambedkar was master in 64 subjects and was proficient in 11 languages. Oh, it's so great! Happy Ambedkar Jayanti to all.